people. So I have very exciting news to tell you. Well, it's not very exciting for you guys, but for me, so excited. No, it's kinda excited for you guys if you love our videos because let's let's just say we're gonna post every day now, starting from this video. We're gonna post lots and lots of videos every day because you know why? Remember how I mentioned that um our account, our Gmrex and Sabrina account was on my grandma's phone. Yeah, grandma's phone, not phones. Grandma's phone. Oh God, why am I stuttering? Okay, but it's my grandma's phone, but now I log into it in my phone. So basically now I can post every day without her permission to use her phone. So yeah, that's why I'm excited, and I am not sure if you guys are excited, but you know, you get it, you get it. Adios amigos.